Welcome to the video walkthrough on how to submit your student COVID-19 vaccine certification. Remember, CSU policy requires all students to be fully vaccinated for COVID-19, which includes a booster. Students who do not have a complete COVID-19 vaccination certification or exemption on file may be subject to weekly COVID-19 testing, so make sure your file is up to date. For the latest information and FAQs on our campus's health and safety guidelines, visit csulb.edu/COVID-19. Before you begin, make sure you have a digital copy of your COVID-19 vaccination card. You can create a digital copy of your vaccination card by scanning it, taking a photo, or using an app that offers a scanning feature, such as Notes or OneDrive. If you need a new digital copy of your vaccine record, visit myvaccinerecord.cdph.ca.gov to download for free. When you're ready, access the Student COVID-19 Vaccine Certification Form by visiting csulb.edu/svc. You will be asked to authenticate your identity. In Section 1, select the first checkbox indicating that you have received an approved vaccine. Enter the manufacturer, then the date of your first dose, and then the date of your second dose. You can also use the calendar icons to select your dates. If you have booster information, enter the date and manufacturer here. If you need to add or delete additional boosters, use the plus and minus signs in the upper right of this section. If you would like to request an exemption or declare that you will not be accessing CSU facilities at all this semester, including on-campus or off-campus sites, you can select one of the other options in Section 1. When ready, review your information and go to Section 2 to confirm that your information is correct. Then, in Section 3, you can attach a file that contains a copy of your current COVID-19 vaccine card and booster information by clicking the Attach button. When finished completing your form, select Submit. Your student record will be automatically updated. You can return to this form at any time should you need to change or update any information. Thank you for taking the necessary steps to submit your COVID-19 vaccine information. Remember, for the latest campus health and safety guidelines, visit csulb.edu/COVID-19.